Hello, this is June Schulman with Hilton Publishing, National Account Manager. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Hilton Publishing. Hilton Publishing has been in business since 1996, and we have successfully conducted business with hospital systems across the country. Hospitals partner with Hilton Publishing as we simplify their procurement service and we simplify their purchasing processes. Hilton Publishing's core competencies include a turnkey media procurement and management service. And what that means, media procurement, Hilton Publishing is a one-stop shop, one platform for all of your books, journals, and online magazines and all health-related materials. The management services, Hilton Publishing organizes, tracks, spends, leverages, takes care of redundancy issues in purchasing, and locates the best prices for you. Hilton Publishing has been involved in custom publishing for over several decades and in the printing arena. Hilton Publishing can enter into any hospital system and take their content for any outreach or marketing initiative programs that you may have and put that into content and publish those programs for you. Hilton Publishing is opening up to an e-health solutions format and along with patient education discharge materials. Hilton Publishing belongs to a global purchasing organization underneath the Health Trust Premier. Several hospitals that are under the hospital GPO of Health Trust, when they purchase their supplies directly through a supplier, such as Hilton Publishing, we overall reduce 10% of their annual costs. In addition, we return up to 3% of an administration fee directly back to the global purchasing organization and the facility. So what we do here for the hospitals is we drive that compliance in your media spend through the purchasing organization. And as hospitals are searching for ways to always reduce costs, Hilton Publishing has been successful in doing that and decreasing your cost of business. Hilton Publishing, making them your procurement partner, and with this, as Hilton Publishing works with thousands of hospitals and we aggregate all of their spend and bring it all together, what we're able to do from that position is then leverage that spend. And as we work with our publishers to bring those health-related materials to you, by leveraging all of that spend through the various hospitals, we are able to negotiate and the best prices and also have an avenue in matching those prices that a typical retail organization would not have. Tracking hospital media spend. Many hospitals are looking for better ways to track the media spend. Hilton Publishing does all of this back-end work for you. Again, that would be through organizing and invoicing, tracking, finding the best prices for you as we manage and centralize that entire process for hospitals. This is an example of a typical hospital spend. For 427 beds within a hospital, and they typically spend around $675,000 on books only. Within a 835 bed health hospital bed system, they're typically spending around $500,000 annually on books only. The annual spend for books, magazines, and journals with a hospital with 303 beds is about $2.5 million. When you're partnering with Hilton Publishing through that procurement management service, we have the capacity to save you at least 10% annually on your overall spend. Hilton Publishing as a whole reduces costs on all of your marketing efforts. Whether again it's from your content or if you would like us to custom publish, we can take all of that content and include it into books, pamphlets, newsletters, online in an e-format. We have the capability to translate that to diverse populations, to support literacy efforts and bring that into several multiple languages. Patient education materials and e-health solutions are on the forefront. Hilton Publishing is exciting to bring this tool aboard and to present that to you today. We have it in a meaningful use stage 2 compliant format, and what that means is it's a government regulated compliant format, and the discharge materials must be meaningful and useful, and there must be proof that it was given to the patient. This is now going to be all in e-format. We have it available in multiple languages. It is a seamless implementation and transition into a hospital's current system that they're working with. And in addition, we have medical research online tools available for the doctors on one touch of a button where they can locate and research any current disease state for a patient and have all of that information at their fingertips. And along with these services, we have text messaging services where we are going to alert the discharged patients and remind them of their discharge instructions. Expanding on the meaningful use stage 2. There's a government regulated for hospitals to earn an incentive with utilizing the meaningful use 2. With these electronic health records and the set of standards that are required by the government, what they do is they maximize the incentive funding returned back to hospitals. Essentially, the goal here is to look to reduce your readmission rates, and we, along the way, are very happy about improving patient understanding and driving that compliance within your hospital. We would like to talk about how we get started and how we partner with hospitals. First of all, there is communication, and what we like to do is bring together all the different departments, all the different divisions, whether from the medical records to the directors of education, through the marketing channels, all the way through materials management. We like to communicate with all those departments that Hilton Publishing will now be your one source platform for all your books, journals, magazines, patient education materials, and e-health solutions. We have a new customer packet that we insert and implement into the beginning of the process, and we walk the hospitals through that process efficiently and accurately. We then move into an implementation stage, and it's a kickoff, and we can do this either online or face-to-face. We open it up from its inception, and we walk the entire hospital and the different departments and divisions through the implementation of Hilton Publishing as we partner with you. And finally, we have a national account representative assigned to your account, one in which will ensure happiness and provide quarterly reviews and take you through a high-level assured customer quality service to make sure that everyone is happy, with the partnership between Hilton Publishing and the hospital. Thank you very much for attending our presentation today. Thank you.